right here. In this video, just want to show you my little workshop filtering fan. That's right, it's a do-it-yourself air filter for your workshop. Seriously, I needed to control some of the dust and stuff in my garage when I'm working, and maybe some of the paint fumes and things. So I got a 20-inch box fan, and I zip tied a 20 by 20 fiberglass filter on the back of it. And you can see, hopefully the camera will show it, there is some paint coloring on it from where I was blowing paint fumes out of the garage, and it works fine. In case you're wondering if it actually filters anything, been doing a lot of painting and hydro dipping stuff. You can see I've had the fan blowing out the window on high, and you can see that it has pulled a lot of air through it, and it has caught a fair bit of the paint that would have got onto the screen, so I'm sure my wife's happy. If you haven't seen my air filter hack, fiberglass air filter hack, I just take and spray WD-40 on it, and that helps catch some of the dust and fine particles, so it kind of somewhat cleans the air a little bit. Anyway, just a quick video to show you that, and yes, it's ugly as can be, but you know what, it's cheap and it works. So thanks for watching. Found it helpful? Please like, subscribe, comment, and good luck with yours.